Let's look at another example of solving log equations, right? So here I have two logs and I want to set them equal to 1, and so I want to figure out again what is x. So how do I solve these? Well, first thing I need to do here is I need to combine my logs, right? And we did an entire exercise in combining logs. So how do I combine these? Well, if I combine these, my expressions inside will get multiplied into a single log, right? So I'm going to get this is equal to log base 2 x minus 4 times x minus 3 equal to 1. Okay, or if I go ahead and factor it out, I get log base 2, and that's going to be x squared minus 7x plus 12 equals 1, right? Again, recall, I can write this in an exponential form, and my exponential form, right, is going to be x squared minus 7x plus 12 equals 2 to the 1, or just 2. So then x squared minus 7x plus 12 equals 2. Subtract the 2, and I get x squared minus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. I can go ahead and factor this, and this factors into x minus 5, x minus 2 equal to 0. And so basically I get x equal to 5 or x equal to 2, right? Now I need to go ahead and do my checks again. Remember that I cannot have a negative number in a log. So let's go ahead and put in x equal to 5. If I put in x equal to 5, I get log of 5 minus 4 plus log of 5 minus 3 equals 1 to the base 2. 5 minus 4 is positive, 5 minus 3 is positive, so I'm good to go. So this gives me log of 1 to the base 2 plus log of 2 to the base 2. We know that this is equal to 0, right? Log of 1 to any base is 0, and this is equal to 1, and so that is equal to 1. So both sides are equal, and that works out. Okay, so now let's put in x equal to 2, right? If I put in x equal to 2, I get log to the base 2, I have 2 minus 4 plus log of 2 minus 3 to the base 2 equals 1. And so I get log of negative 2 to the base 2 plus log of negative 1 to the base 2 equals 1. What do you notice? I have negative numbers inside the log, and if you recall, they're not in my domain, right? So I cannot take log of negative numbers. So this quantity here, log of negative 2 or log of negative 1, is undefined. And so even though x equals 2 seems like it's a solution, it's actually not a solution, and we call this an extraneous solution. That is, it comes out as a solution when we solve for x, but when I put it back in the original equation, it doesn't seem to make sense because I get something that is undefined, and that's equal to 1. Okay, so in this case, the solution is only 5 and not 2.